Exercise 1D, question number 11. In question number 11, evaluate removal of brackets is given to you. Already I told you that exercise 1D is a miscellaneous exercise in which you are supposed to solve all the questions related to exercise 1A, 1B and 1C. So here we are starting question number 11. In question number 11, total 8 questions are there. I am explaining second one. Second question is minus 5 in bracket, then minus, then again in bracket minus 48. Divide by in bracket minus 16, then plus in bracket minus 2 into 6. Very easy sum to you people. First of all, remember BODMAS. So as per BODMAS, B is bracket, and bracket that we are already solving here. Okay, so just leave this B. Then after we are having O. O stands for off. We are not having any off here. So just leave this off here. Okay. Then next is D. And D stands for division. And we are having division here. So we are having division here. And this is your division. So in rough, first you will divide minus 48 by minus 16. So minus and minus get cancelled, and you know very well that 48 is divisible by 16. In table of 16, 16 3 ja 48. So we got here 3. So in this place total we will write 3. So first minus 5, then minus, then this total we have to write 3 only, then plus minus 2 into 6. Now we will remove this bracket. So we have to write minus 5. So first we will write minus 5. Then this is minus 3 as usual. Now if we will remove this bracket, so this plus and minus will become minus. Okay. So I am removing bracket. So here we have to write minus 2 into 6. So now after division, multiplication is there. So for multiplication we are having here 2 into 6, and you know 2 6 are 12. So minus 5 minus 3 minus 12. Now 3 digits we are having here, minus 5 minus 3 minus 12. All the negative integers we are having here. So negative negative negative, simply we will add, but in answer we have to write negative. So 5 and 3 8, 8 plus 12 20. So 20 along with negative. So minus 20 is required answer for this question. Question number 8 from 11. In this simplification we are having 2 brackets, and we are having 1 bar bracket here, as you can see here. So first we will solve this bar bracket. So in this bar bracket, before this bar bracket we are having division. So that division will not make any changes for this bar bracket. So for this bar bracket we are having 12 minus 9. So as you know, 12 minus 9 will give you 3. So in the next calculation we have to write 24 divided by 3 minus 12 minus, then in bracket 3 into 8 divided by 4 plus 1. Now after bar bracket, simply you know BODMAS. B stands for bracket, O stands for off. We are not having any off, so leave it. Now D stands for division, and we are having here division. So this is the first division which we are having here, and this is the another one division which we are having in this question only. So for this you can divide in rough actually. So 24 divided by 3. So 3 1 ja, 3 8 ja. So in place of this you can write 8 minus 12. Then minus bracket start 3 into, in this place 8 upon 4. 4 1 ja, 4 2 ja. So you can write 2 plus 1. After division we are having multiplication. So in this we are having multiplication where 3 into 2. So first we will multiply this, and the other data we have to write as it is. So 8 minus 12 minus 3 to the 6 plus 1 bracket close. Now 8 minus 12, we are subtracting 8, that is smaller number, from bigger number which is 12. So 12 minus 8 simply 4, but we are subtracting smaller from bigger, so we have to write minus 4. So this is minus 4. Then minus 6 plus 1, 7. Now minus 4 minus 7, minus minus plus, and 4 and 7, 11. So answer is minus 11. Now you can solve question number 11. Question number 12. Find the result of subtracting the sum of all integers between 20 and 30 from the sum of all integers from 20 to 30. So in this question we are having that we have to subtract the sum of all integers between 20 and 30. You should know meaning of between. Between means what? You will not count 20 and you will not count 30. Right from 21 up to 29 you will count. Then the sum of all integers from 20 to 30. From means what? You will count 20 and at last you will count 30. Clear? So from this statement we got that the required number which we have to find. So sum of all integers from 20 to 30, because it is given, find the result of subtracting the sum of all integers between 20 and 30 from means what? ये जो sum है इसको subtract करना है किसमें से? इसमें से subtract करना है, ये इसमें से. So first we have to write sum of all integers from 20 to 30. So sum of all integers from 20 to 30 minus sum of all integers between 20 and 30. Okay. So here sum of all integers from 20 to 30. That means from 20, 21, 22, 23 up to 30 you will add. Then between 20 and 30, so you will not count 20 and 30. तो इसको ऐड करो, देन इसको ऐड करो और दोनों को सब्ट्रैक्ट कर दो, यू विल गेट आंसर.